Hello students, welcome to English class. Hope all of you are fine. So last day we started with the lesson Tolstoy farm. Did you go through it? Okay, we completed the first two paragraphs. Can you recollect the main points we discussed? Okay, Gandhiji was talking about the education of the inmates of Tolstoy farm. We know that there were many boys and girls, and he had certain problems related to the education of the children there. And what were the difficulties? He told, first one, to get teachers was a difficulty. They hadn't enough money to pay the teachers. That was one thing. More than that, what's the second reason? Gandhiji didn't appreciate the system of education. He thought that the system was not so useful to the children. It was not effective. So, Gandhiji thought that real education can be given only by their parents. They should be taught something useful that can be mainly done by parents. And in the case of this Tolstoy farm, who was the head of the family? Gandhiji himself. So he took the responsibility of educating, giving education to the children there. Then also there was a problem. What was the problem? These children belonged to different religions. They were born and brought up in different situations. They were of different age. All these were the problems he had to face. So it was not an easy task to give them education. So however, he decided to take up to shoulder the responsibility of educating the inmates of Tolstoy farm. Up to that we have completed. Okay, so we'll come to the next paragraphs. What all things he taught there, how did he manage educating the children, who all helped him. All these things are mentioned in the next paragraph. So we will come to one or two paragraphs today. So, but I have always given the first place to the culture of the heart, or the building of character. And as I felt confident that moral training could be given to all alike, no matter how different their ages and their upbringing, I decided to live amongst them all the 24 hours of the day as their father. So what was the first thing Gandhiji wanted to teach them, or Gandhiji decided to teach them? What was that? To develop their character. To develop their character. That is why it is mentioned culture of the heart, or the building up of character, building of character. So moral training could be given to all children. That is how to develop good character, how to develop good values in their life. And can you say, why did Gandhiji decide to give them moral training first? The reasons are mentioned there. Because moral training or building of character can be given to all alike in the same way. In the same way means whatever their age, whatever their religion, whatever their sex, all the people, all the humans need good character. That should be the first preference given. That was the thought of Gandhiji. So even though other subjects are also important, the first preference is to the building of character, because without character, if a person develops without good character, he won't be a useful citizen. So First of all, he decided to give them moral training. So, in order to give them moral training, what did he do? He decided to live amongst them all the 24 hours of the day as their father. What's the meaning of that? First of all, he understood that he should be a model to the children. From him, the children should learn, understand good behavior, good character. I regarded character building as the proper foundation for their education, and if the foundation was firmly laid, I was sure that the children could learn all the other things themselves or with the assistance of friends. So, according to Gandhiji, only people or children of good character can develop in their life. Because if they have good character, the rest of the things they can learn by themselves or they can learn with the help of their friends. So, in the case of a person, in the case of a nation, we know that people, citizens with good character are needed for the progress of the nation. So, Gandhiji decided to give the moral training. Then, but as I fully appreciated the necessity of a literary training in addition, I started some classes with the help of Mr. Kallenbach and Srijit Prajit Desai. First preference, moral training, and he understood that that itself is not allowed, because we know that in the case of education, we say education is the all-round development of a personality. That means all aspects of a person should be developed. So Gandhiji gave the first preference to moral training. Then he thought that some literary training should be given to children. So some classes were started, and who all helped him? Mr. Kallenbach and Srijit Prajit Desai. Nor did I underrate the building up of the body. The building up of the body means the physical strength. And we know that in the case of our schools also, to develop our body or physical training, we have physical education classes and all. So likewise, we know that that is to develop your physique, that is to give your body exercise. So Gandhiji decided to give them some training in what? To develop their body, building up of the body. So what did he do for that? In our case, as we told, we have a drill periods, physical education periods. Then what about Tolstoy farm? See, this they got in the course of their daily routine. So as part of their daily works, they had to do a number of works in the farm. So these works help them to develop their physique, to develop their body. Okay, so the details are given in the next lines. For there were no servants on the farm, and all the work from cooking down to scavenging was done by the inmates. So all the works of the farm were done by the children. There were no servants. So all the works were done by children. Some of the works are mentioned. What are the works mentioned here? From cooking down to scavenging. Cooking should be done by the children. Scavenging, that is cleaning the surrounding, cleaning the rooms and everything. All the works of the farm was done by the inmates, by the boys and girls there. There were many fruit trees to be looked after and enough gardening to be done as well. So what all works, the details are given. Fruit trees were, that is to be watered and planted, and so many activities related to farming, gardening. Mr. Kallenbach was fond of gardening and had gained some experience of this work in one of the governmental model gardens. So there also Mr. Kallenbach was there to help Gandhiji, to help these children also to develop their physique. He knew some details about gardening, so it helped the children to develop their physics or to do gardening and farming in a better way. It was obligatory on all, young and old, who were not engaged in the kitchen to give some time to gardening. It was almost compulsory. All were obliged to do it. What was the work they had to do? All the works in the farm. All the works in the farm. Young and old. Everyone. Because we know that physical exercise that is needed for every human being to be healthy. So all the inmates of the farm, the boys and girls and all, even the older people, all of them were supposed to do some work. What work? In gardening. Some time to gardening. That means working in the farm, in the fields. The children had the lion's share of this work, which included digging pits, felling timber and lifting loads. The children had the lion's share. The lion's share means the major part of the work, the main works should be done by children. And what may be the reason why the lion's share or majority of the work was given to the children? Because we know that the young children need more energy, or young children can do more work. In the case of older people, they cannot be, I mean, they won't be so healthy to do all the work. So majority of the work was done by children. What all works? Digging pits, felling timber, lifting loads. We know that all these works, while a person does some of the works mentioned here, automatically, unknowingly, they will become healthy. Okay, so there was no need of any other physical exercise. So that was the idea of Gandhiji. This gave them ample exercise. Ample exercise means enough exercise. What gave them enough exercise? Working in the farm, doing some gardening, doing some farming, etc. They took delight in the work, and so they didn't generally need any other exercise or games. They took delight in the work. They were happy to do the work. Delight, happiness. So, while they were doing these works, it gave them enough exercise. So, they didn't need any other exercise or games. Of course, some of them, and sometimes all them, malingered and shirked. What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that? Some of them, sometimes all of them. What did they do? Malingered. What's the meaning of malingered? They pretended that they are not well, they are ill, they are not able to do the work. And why did they malinger, can you say? Sometimes they were not ready to do the work. So they told that I am not well, I have this problem, as you say sometimes. What is that? Headache, stomachache, so many aches. So some of them pretended to be ill, not to do the work, and shirked. What's the meaning of shirk? Shirk also means to avoid something. Okay, so actually most of them were happy to do the work, this gardening, farming, etc. But sometimes some of them, or sometimes all of them, were lazy and they wanted to skip, they wanted to escape. So they pretended to be ill, or they did something to avoid the work. So we know that here, what are the main things mentioned here? First, what was the training given? Moral training to develop their character. Then literary training, and then next physical training. And how was that physical training done? Were they given any exercise or games? No games were given, no separate exercises were given. They were asked to do all the works of the farm, cooking, cleaning and everything related to that, and also gardening, farming and all this. So likewise, Gandhiji taught children Gandhiji gave training in different areas. So his plan was to develop them completely, physically, morally, intellectually and all these things. Okay, So we will continue with the next paragraphs next day, but make sure that you read it, and I think there are some words which are not so familiar to you. You should learn the meaning, spelling of these words, and also complete the side questions. Okay, hope that all of you will do it seriously. Okay, thank you. We will stop for today.